Hello, I'm in Krakow. Well, I've lived here for 8 months, but I never got around to see the city, as I don't like going outside. But today is such a nice day, and my ass is getting evicted in 2 days. It's not my fault, by the way. They want to do some renovations or something, but nice day. Let's why not, I guess. If you are like, holy shit, I've got to move to Krakow and I will be studying at such a magnificent place. Nope. If you pick anything other than law and administration and some other things for nerds, you will get a generic glass building like on the outskirts of town. Holy shit, the Pope studied here. And he studied philosophy. You go there to get to the main square, but we are currently at the small square. And I think I like it more. There's never a lot of people here. It looks nice. And if you're like, what a lot of people? What? How about this, huh? That's a church. That's the Clove Hall, I think. That's what it's called. And inside it looks like this. This is the place where kings and queens went shopping, but they were shopping here. Oh my god, they smell so bad. I miss small square. What do you think about this manhole? You like it? I saw a picture on it on Manhole Porn, a community I'm active in, and it got some attention, so you better like it. That was a nice church. Maybe I'm not a temple connoisseur, but I've never seen one with flowers and hearts on the wall. Also, I don't know how much of it I filmed because I think there was preparation for a mass and I don't want to be cursed or something. I think that's it for the day. I wanted to go to 2 more places, but it turns out that I don't fuck with the outside, and filming, that's so cringe, man. Also, I'm dying. 20 to see, that's a war crime. My phone is dying. Is this boring? But hey, that's an okay view. That's a nice view. That's a very nice view. Wow, what a cool transition. It's a new day, we are at the castle, and today I don't give a fuck. People can look at me, laugh at me. I'm surely not hiding on a staircase. No. We are going there. It's closed. I liked it. Lots of paintings, mainly of Jesus and guys who look just like me in 5 years, which was disturbing. Krakow, I'm sorry, but no one will see this, so we good. I like the city. It is my favorite city in Poland. If you ever end up in this country, why? But at least you can visit Krakow. That's the upside. One thing I got to do now is think about what I want to do, because I feel like I tried so many things and I failed at all of them. So it's kinda, I feel like this is it, you know? Now what?